didn't have a lot of snow out this way. Up north, out west, some places got a foot of snow, like in Iowa, Minnesota, up towards Denver. But they sent me east, so I went to Vandalia, which is about 60 miles east of St. Louis. Pretty nice run. As you can see, there's moderate traffic, not real heavy. It's getting a little bit colder. It was about 38 a little while ago. Now I got 31. But it stopped snowing, stopped icing, so it's going to be all right for me. I don't have to worry about all that bad weather. But you know, when we get it, I'll show it to you. I got me a new phone holder, and it does pretty good. It holds the phone pretty steady, and I don't have to worry about it slipping and sliding around. But this is part of our series on big rig trucking, and I get out there. I like to show you guys the road, what's going on. You can guys check it out yourself, and hell, not a lot going on. I mean, I wish there was more action, but hey, catching up this truck here. It's a wonder sometimes to me. You know, these trucks I'm in only do about 65 miles an hour. Speed limit here is 65, and wow, a lot of cars go a lot slower than that. But I guess to each his own. Man, you don't have to speed everywhere. But it's a wonder that if you're in a car, that you don't go a little bit faster. But hey, I guess I do, but that's me, right? I go as fast as the trucks to go, which isn't very fast. I mean, hey, you know, if it's 70 and I'm doing 65, it ain't fast at all, right? Little truck parking right there. I can't wait for a couple months all these trees to be green again. I mean, it's pretty drab out here like this, you know. It's real cloudy, kind of a crummy day. One of them days that you just want to sit at home and maybe watch some tube. You know what I mean? Eat a little ice cream or whatever. But other than that, hey, you know what? Check out our website, My 60 Plus for seniors, or my60plus.com. We have a YouTube channel. We have a website. We've got products that we have on there that we believe in. You know, and check it out. Support the channel if you'd like. You know, give us a like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate it if you would. And I got a little bit of construction here going on. I'll bring you for this. Construction in the wintertime can be really dangerous. But they got most of this cleaned up, and I guess they're rebuilding some of the bridges. Infrastructure for the infrastructure. That's right. This bridge was really whacked out for a while. It was real skinny. You had to go through it, and it was like, wow, you thought you were going to hit the sides. We had walls up, you know, separating the lane. Now it's a lot better. But I think they did that right before winter. That way it avoided a lot of accidents. And we got this big hill right here. This hill, it always held up traffic, so they put a climbing lane in it, which is pretty cool. And people go around trucks. Like me, I'm really slow going up this thing. Anyway, just want to see how you guys are doing. Subscribe, like, comment, and we will see you soon. Okay?